Replacing the drive blade for the Model 445FS pneumatic stapler. Mount the stapler upside down in a padded vise. Remove the 4 socket head cap screws with a 3/16 hex wrench. Lift the channel assembly and adapter foot vertically off the driving blade. Remove the rubber bumper. Pull the drive blade assembly to the top of the stapler. Remove the driving blade jam nut using an 11/16 and 15/16 box wrench. Remove the 1/4" dowel pin holding the drive blade. Remove the drive blade. You are now ready to insert a new drive blade. Insert a replacement drive blade into the slot on the end of the piston rod. Replace the dowel pin. Screw the jam nut back in place over the base of the drive blade. Tighten the jam nut thoroughly using the 11/16 and 15/16 box wrench. Insert the rubber bumper. Place the channel assembly with the foot over the drive blade. Install the 4 1¼ screws with lock washers and tighten firmly. Stapler is now ready for connecting air and functional testing.